Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use Gusto for managing payroll and HR needs. Gusto is an all-in-one platform designed to simplify payroll, benefits, and human resource management for small businesses. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Gusto is used for, how to use its basic functions, and how it can benefit your childcare business. In this video, we'll be covering what Gusto is used for, the basic functions, how to manage payroll with Gusto, and additional HR features. Gusto is a comprehensive platform that simplifies payroll, benefits, and HR management for small businesses. It's designed to automate and streamline many of the tasks that can be time-consuming and complex, allowing you to focus on running your childcare business. Gusto helps you manage everything from employee onboarding and payroll processing to benefits administration and compliance. Signing up for Gusto is a simple and straightforward process. Start by visiting gusto.com and clicking on the Create Account button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, your name, your company, and to create a password. After setting up your login credentials, you'll need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your business name, industry, and number of employees. You can set up your account for free, but when it's time to actually pay your employees, Gusto offers a 30-day free trial, allowing you to explore its features and see how it can benefit your business before you commit to a subscription. Gusto has several pricing plans to suit different business needs. The simple plan starts at $40 a month, plus $6 per employee. The Plus plan is $60 a month, plus $9 per employee, and offers more advanced features like time tracking and project tracking. The Premium plan at $180 a month, plus $22 a person, includes access to certified HR professionals and additional HR resources. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll have access to the Gusto dashboard where you can start managing payroll, benefits, and other HR tasks efficiently. The navigation menu on the left allows you to access different sections such as people, pay, time and attendance, benefits, and other features. This centralized view makes it easy to manage all of your HR and payroll tasks in one place. Adding employees to Gusto is simple. Click on the People section on the navigation menu, and then select Team Members. Then choose Add a Team Member in the upper right corner. Enter the required information, such as the employee's name, email, address, and job details. You can also set up their payment method, either by direct deposit or check. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save to add the employee to your payroll system. The employee will then receive an email invitation to complete their profile, making the onboarding process seamless and efficient. Running payroll in Gusto is straightforward. Go to the Pay section in the navigation menu, then choose Run Payroll. Once you update your account with the necessary information, you'll be able to select the pay period and the employees you want to include in the payroll run. You can enter the hours worked, any additional earnings or deductions, and review the payroll summary. Gusto will automatically calculate the taxes and deductions for each employee. Once you've reviewed everything, you can click Submit Payroll to process the payments. Gusto will handle the rest, including tax filings and direct deposit. Gusto also makes it easy to manage employee benefits. In the Benefits section on the right-hand side, you can set up health insurance, retirement plans, and other benefits for your employees. Gusto works with a variety of insurance providers to offer competitive rates and comprehensive coverage options. You can enroll employees in benefits, manage contributions, and track benefit usage all within the platform. This ensures that your employees have access to the benefits they need while simplifying the administrative tasks for you. One of the great features of Gusto is the Employee Self-Service Portal. Employees can log into their own Gusto account to view their pay stubs, update personal information, and manage their benefits. This reduces the administrative burden on you and empowers employees to manage their own information. Additionally, employees can access important documents, such as tax forms and company policies, directly from their account. Gusto also includes a time tracking feature, which is particularly useful for businesses with hourly employees. In the time tracking section, employees can clock in and out, track their hours, and request time off. This information is automatically synced with payroll, ensuring that employees are paid accurately for the time they've worked. You can also review and approve timesheets, making it easy to manage employee hours and attendance. Staying compliant with tax regulations and labor laws is crucial for any business. Gusto helps you stay on top of compliance with automatic tax filings, new hire reporting, and year-end tax forms. In the Reports section, you can generate various reports such as payroll summaries, tax reports, and benefit reports. These reports provide valuable insights into your business's financial health and help you ensure that you're meeting all regulatory requirements. Gusto is an all-in-one solution for managing payroll, benefits, and HR tasks, making it an ideal choice for childcare business owners. From running payroll and managing benefits to tracking time and ensuring compliance, Gusto simplifies the complex tasks of HR management. Give Gusto a try and see how it can benefit your childcare business.